Hey, it's Dr. Ko here from Reset Ketamine in Palm Springs, and I'm reading a book. It's called Atomic Habits by James Clear. One of the things he talks about creating and breaking habits is to, number one, if you want to start something new, make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. So obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. During the ketamine therapy, you're going to go with the flow, but afterwards, there's new neurons being generated. There's synaptic connections being formed. We call this neuroplasticity. So you want to take advantage of that by creating new habits. And so you're going to use those 4 pillars, making it obvious, making it attractive, making it easy, and making it satisfying. So for example, let's say that you want to start working out. So making it obvious by putting your dumbbells right in the middle of the living room, so it's like boom, right in your face, right there, it's obvious. And you want to make it attractive. And the way you can do that is figuring out, why am I doing this? What's the purpose behind this? So that it attracts you naturally to want to do it. And then you want to make it easy. So for example, like, hey, I don't have to drive 20 minutes to go to the gym. The weights are actually at my house. So it becomes super easy to do. And then satisfying. So at the end of that workout, you're going to do something. You might have a little piece of chocolate, or you might take a selfie shot of yourself. So something to make it satisfying so that you can continue these practices long term. Now, if you want to break a habit, it's the opposite. So make it not obvious. So for example, putting your cell phone inside of a different room if you want to take a break from using your cell phone first thing upon awakening. So let's say you want to making it unattractive. So for example, if you want to quit smoking, maybe putting a cigarette, all of the butts inside of a jar and smelling those butts of that terrible cigarette smell. You want to make it hard to do. So for example, if you want to take a break from social media, making it hard to do by deleting those apps from your cell phone so it's not so easy to access. And then you want to make it unsatisfying. So linking it, the habit that you want to break, to some sort of pain associated with it. Again, ketamine infusions are not a panacea, but they can be a great catalyst for breaking bad habits and then embedding new habits. And then of course you can use that obvious, attractive, easy, satisfying mnemonic to apply to your habits. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.